What's going on? Welcome back. Day 13. Today's gonna be a good day. We've got our monster exterior wall over there that's sheeted. We need to get that thing stood today. We have a small wall, whoop, 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 right on the back side of that wall. We need to get that done as well. So we're gonna be framing out this little section right here. All this is framed out already. Everything's sheared. Just need to get vertical. Once that small section over there is built, we'll get that squared up and sheared as well. That'll go up first. This big section behind me will go up after that. Real quick though, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying what you're seeing. If you're not, I'm sorry. Click off the screen. Towel again. The seat is soaked. So I've been asked quite a bit how many times I've shot myself with a nail gun. And it's always a funny topic because it happened twice within like the same month when I was 19 or 20. It hasn't happened in a while, but yesterday was different. So back to my story. I had a stud that landed on an anchor bolt. We cut the anchor bolt, got rid of the anchor bolt. The hole that was drilled for our plate was still there. So at this point, I didn't realize that there was a hole in the plate. So I shot my first nail into the stud, and just so happens I managed to go through the anchor bolt hole that was drilled through our bottom plate, and it hit me right in the finger. It landed right on my S and swim. Grabbing 4x8 right now. guys are driving, drive careful. take break and look who shows up. Q-Dog at his finest. He's sick right now too. We got the whole squad sick out here. It's the bad thing about working so close to other people is when one person gets sick, everybody gets sick. First wall of the day. Grab some braces. Braces. That's it. Longer the better. Game on. So as you guys saw, this wall wasn't able to be squared up, so we just tacked our sheets on. Same with the other wall on the other side. When we stood that wall, we had no problems. When we stood this wall, you could see that the top plate was ripping out of the studs. There was a bit of a gap in between them. No big deal. I just hopped up there with a hammer, beat it back down. We're gonna throw some structural screws down. We'll be good. But that got a little scary. We're up though. We're braced off. A-frame on the corner, A-frame in the middle, tied in on the right-hand corner here. It's lunchtime now. We're gonna grab some food, head on back. It's Friday. It's a good day. All right, we're after lunch right now, day 13. We're trying to get this wall framed to get this thing stood. We have a different approach. We have a man basket that we're able to use now. So our thought is frame the whole thing, frame the center window, everything. Stand it unsheared. From there, we could shear it once it's up. With that basket, it'll speed that up a lot. All right guys, we're at end of day 13. We've still got another day or two of framing before all walls are up. We still have blocking to finish in this wall here. We need to frame that rake wall. But overall, this project is going well. Builder's stoked, we're stoked. Everything has been going smooth. Check this view out from up here. So, little backstory on me. I shot professional photography for a while. I had photos featured all over the place. So having cameras around isn't too crazy for me. So this is one of the cameras that I shoot with quite a bit. I hopped up here on the scissor lift because this view is just phenomenal. I'll have a photo that I snapped off of this camera right up there. Awesome shot. It's end of day, it's Friday. We're heading home for the weekend. The good thing is on day 14 when we come back, this wall is gonna get banged out real quick. Throw some blocks in it, get this thing stood as one piece, which will be nice. We don't have to frame in that window like you guys saw the other day. From there, we hop over to this wall, get that banged out, stand that. The only thing we have left is this cute little 3x plate right here. We will be done. All of our framing is complete at that point, aside from this door that I'm looking at right now. That needs to get done too. Don't let me forget. I am getting out of here. Everybody else took off. Hope you guys have enjoyed the series so far. If you have, please, I know it doesn't seem like much, but hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously. The day we film this, we're at 35,300. So thank you. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a dislike on this video if you didn't. I'll catch you guys next time. Day 14. Bang on.